Hello, Renee Webb Otis here, long-term GBM survivor. Today is March 12th, 2017, and today I'd like to talk about what's happened since my surgery. I don't know if I can tell you everything, but I'll try. I'll try and hit the highlights. I was up till June of 16. I was doing great. I was gardening, I was cooking, I was driving, I was working out 3 times a week with the trainer, and I had, from my surgery, I suffered a left visual field cut, but I just had to be aware of it and turn my head more, and so I was basically living a normal life though, just meeting girlfriends for coffee and going out to lunch or whatever. I actually, in June, I went with a group of girlfriends. We went on our annual camping trip, which was to a cabin. Admittedly, I slept in the cabin, not in a tent. Some people slept in a tent. They're a little younger. And we went hiking. It was at Chena Hot Springs Road, and we went hiking on to Angel Rocks, a group of us, not everybody. And I think there are about 6 or 7 of us that went. And I had asked my friend, I'd always wanted to do this, and I'd asked my friend who has hiked it many times, is there a trail? And she said, yes. So you can picture this. There's 2 people in a cartoon, bubbles coming out their head, and the question is asked, is there a trail? And the one person in their little bubble says, yes, there's a trail, and they are imagining the trail with the sticks across it, roots and rocks and all the things you have to negotiate. And the other person, that's me, was thinking of this path that's like gravel lined and all nice and smooth and everything. And I said, sure, I'll go. And so I went, and I soon found out that my idea of a trail and her idea of a trail, we were talking about 2 different things. And so anyway, we went. It's about a 3.5 mile loop that we took. It goes to an elevation of 900 feet, and I was doing okay, except my balance had to be helped a little bit. And they kept asking me, do you want to turn back? Do you want to turn back? And I was like, no. I was determined to get to the top because I just wanted to say I did it. It was on my bucket list, if you will. And so they said, okay. And when I said it was on my bucket list, then they got determined to help me get there. And they helped me, and we got to the top just as a big black cloud rolled in, and it started raining. And we, once we're up, we have to go down. And so they helped me down, and it was slippery and slidey, but I did it, and now I can check that off, and I don't need to do that again.